Imagine gaining real-world tech experience, where innovation meets opportunity for students ready to make an impact. Join a team that values your growth and ambition while you learn. This is a real-world experience with Proceedit's Net and Security Applications Master Program. You will master nets and security applications, secure real-world networks, master security tools, and become a network and security pro. Organized by the Systems Unit of Proceedit's Technology Branch, this program is designed for future AI specialists. While working in a professional environment, you'll gain skills like network security, secure app development, Agile and Jira workflow, and deployment and administration. After onboarding, your supervisor will help you build the skills needed for active involvement. Regular meetings and personalized coaching sessions are at the core of our methodology. The Master Program's first month is a trial. After completing the first month, if you want to continue, you will have to purchase credits. However, scholarships are available for eligible students, ensuring access for passionate learners regardless of financial background. Join our team and transform your learning journey into a professional career path.